Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rubber band bracelet without a hook. A S or C clip. So let's get started. Take your first rubber band, twist it into a figure 8, put it on your loom. Oops. Next one, and for the next one you don't have to twist it, and you only put 2 on there. And you're gonna get your hook, and then you're gonna do that. So now you're going to take your next color, and again, you don't have to twist it. And just keep on grabbing from the bottom and bringing it up. I'll move it in a little bit.
Yes, please.
Next one, I'll be using dark purple now. Sorry if you're hearing background noises. That's just my family conversating about who knows what. I need a we're going to continue doing this. I'm going to keep on doing this until I run out of these rubber bands. I don't really use the hook a lot for fishtails and this. And make sure you're pulling this out. Yeah, it's coming. Has a bracelet. Okay. So I'm going to stop here. I know this is not going to be a bracelet, but it's going to be like a ring from my mom, because she likes purple. So now we are going to take these 2 sides off of our loom, and we're going to put it on our finger like this. And then we are going to take a broken rubber band. So, I don't have a broken rubber band yet, so I'm going to make a broken rubber band. So I'm going to get it. Just bite it. There we go.
No!
And now we are going to slip the broken rubber band through here, like that. And we're going to slip it through the other side. And make sure you have it good. So, oh man. Oh no, I hope it doesn't fall apart. Please don't. Okay, good, it didn't. Okay, open our band, slip it through here, and then the other side. Like there. And now you're gonna tie the 2 ends. So I'm gonna tie it. we go. And there you have, ooh, look. There you have it without a clamp. See you guys next time. Bye.